You got a business? You want customers? Of course you do. But how do you make sure they find you? In a world where everyone is constantly on their phones or computers, visibility is key. In today's digital world, you need to be where your customers are looking, and that's Google. It's the first place people go when they need information, whether it's finding a new restaurant, a local store, or a specific service. Think about it. When you need to find a restaurant, a store, or a service, where do you go first? Google, right? It's the go-to search engine for millions of people around the globe. Your potential customers are no different. Your customers do the same thing. They rely on Google to find what they need. And if your business isn't listed, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. A Google business listing puts your business on the map, literally. It ensures that when someone searches for a business like yours, they find you easily. It's a free tool that helps you manage how your business appears on Google Search and Maps. You can update your business hours, add photos, respond to reviews, and much more. Don't sleep on this. A strong Google presence is non-negotiable for success in the digital age. It's not just about being found. It's about making a lasting impression. So, take control of your online presence and watch your business grow. Imagine this. A potential customer is searching for a business just like yours. They type in their query, and boom, your Google business listing pops up. This listing is like your digital storefront. It shows your business name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, and more. But here's the kicker. It also showcases photos, customer reviews, and even special offers. It's a one-stop shop for potential customers to find everything they need to know about your business. A well-crafted Google My Business profile builds trust and credibility. It's like having a virtual welcome mat, inviting customers in. Ready to get started? Creating your Google business. Listing is easier than you think. First, head over to google.com/business and click Manage Now. You'll need to create a Google account if you don't already have one. Next, enter your business name and location. Be as accurate as possible. This information helps customers find you. Choose the category that best describes your business. This helps Google understand what you offer and match your listing with relevant searches. Finally, verify your business. This is usually done through a phone call or postcard from Google. Creating your listing is just the first step. To attract more customers, you need to optimize it like a pro. First things first. Pictures. Add high-quality photos of your business, products, and services. Visuals draw people in and make your listing more appealing. Next, use relevant keywords throughout your profile. Think about what your customers would search for on Google to find your business. Don't forget your business hours. Make sure they're accurate, especially during holidays or special events. Finally, encourage your happy customers to leave reviews. Positive reviews build social proof and encourage others to choose your business. Section 5. Keep it fresh. Maintaining your Google business listing. Your Google business listing is a crucial tool for your online presence. Your Google business listing isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal. It's an ongoing commitment that requires regular attention and updates. You need to keep it updated to reflect any changes in your business. Did your hours change? Update your listing. Running a special promotion? Make sure to add it to your profile so customers are aware. Let people know on your profile. This not only informs your customers but also keeps your business relevant in Google's eyes. Regular updates show Google that your listing is active and relevant. This can improve your search rankings and make your business more visible to potential customers. Plus, it ensures that customers always have the most accurate information. Whether it's your business hours, contact information, or special offers, accuracy is key. Think of your Google Business Listing as a living, breathing representation of your business. It needs care and attention to thrive. Keep it fresh, keep it accurate, and watch your online presence thrive. By dedicating time to maintain your listing, you can attract more customers and build a stronger online reputation. Remember, a well-maintained Google Business Listing is a powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal. So stay proactive and keep your listing up to date for the best results. Section 6. Engage your audience. Responding to reviews and questions. Customers are talking about your business online, whether you're listening or not. Google My Business gives you a platform to join the conversation, respond to reviews, both positive and negative, thank customers for their feedback, and address any concerns promptly and professionally. Answer questions about your business thoroughly and accurately. Providing helpful information builds trust and shows that you care about your customers. Remember, engagement is key. An active and responsive presence online fosters a sense of community and strengthens your brand reputation. Section 7. Google My Business Insights. Track your success and make adjustments. In this section, we will delve into the importance of monitoring your business's online performance and making necessary adjustments to stay ahead. Knowledge is power, especially in the digital world. By understanding how your business is performing online, you can make strategic decisions that drive growth and success. Google My Business provides valuable insights into how customers are finding and interacting with your listing. These insights are crucial for understanding your audience and their behavior. You can see how many people viewed your profile, clicked on your website, or took other actions. This data helps you gauge the effectiveness of your online presence, or called your business directly from the listing. Tracking these interactions can provide insights into customer preferences and behavior. Track which keywords are driving traffic to your page. Understanding which keywords are most effective can help you optimize your content and improve your search rankings. And analyze customer engagement with your posts and photos. This data can reveal what types of content resonate most with your audience. Use this data to make informed decisions about your online strategy. Adjust your keywords, update your photos, and refine your approach based on what resonates with your audience. Regularly updating your content keeps your listing fresh and engaging. And refine your approach based on what resonates with your audience. Continuously monitoring and adjusting your strategy ensures that you stay relevant and competitive in the ever-changing digital landscape. By leveraging Google My Business Insights, you can make data-driven decisions that enhance your online presence and drive business growth. Section 8. Beyond the Basics. Advanced Features of Google Business Listing. Ready to take your Google Business Listing to the next level? Explore advanced features that can supercharge your online presence. Create Google Posts to share updates, announcements, and special offers directly on your listing. Add a booking button to allow customers to schedule appointments or make reservations seamlessly. Use Google My Business messaging to enable direct communication with customers through text. These advanced features provide even more ways to engage your audience, streamline your operations, and drive conversions. Section 9. The Power of Google. Reap the benefits of a stellar listing. A well-optimized Google Business Listing is a game-changer for your business. It increases your visibility in local search results, driving more foot traffic and online traffic your way. It builds credibility and trust with potential customers, showcasing positive reviews and valuable information about your business. A strong Google presence enhances your brand image, establishing you as a leader in your industry and a go-to resource for your target audience. Ultimately, a killer Google Business Listing translates to more leads, more customers, and more growth for your business. Section 10. Take action now. Dominate your market with Google My Business. The digital world waits for no one. Don't let your competitors get ahead. Claim your Google Business Listing today and start reaping the rewards of a powerful online presence. Remember, consistency is key. Keep your listing updated, engage with your audience, and track your progress. The effort you invest in your Google My Business profile will pay dividends in the long run, driving sustainable growth and establishing your brand as a force to be reckoned with. Go get 'em! The future of your business awaits.